Tired of drowning in paperwork and repetitive tasks? Let's unleash the power of automation by connecting Docusign with Zapier, transforming chaos into streamlined efficiency. First, make sure you have active accounts for both Docusign and Zapier. Then, log into your Zapier account and hit that Create Zap button. It's our gateway to automation awesomeness. Now, let's choose our trigger app, the app that will kick off our automated workflow. For example, if you want a Docusign envelope created automatically when a new row is added in Google Sheets, select Google Sheets. Next, pick your trigger event. In our Google Sheets example, we choose New Spreadsheet Row. Zapier will then prompt you to connect your Google Sheets account and select the specific spreadsheet you want to monitor. Time to connect Docusign. Select Docusign as your action app. This is where the magic happens. Choose your action event. Let's say we want to create a new envelope. Select Create Envelope from Template. Zapier will ask you to connect your Docusign account. Follow the prompts to grant access. Now, customize your Docusign action. You'll select your Docusign template and map the data from your Google Sheet columns to the corresponding fields in your Docusign template. Almost there. Test your Zap to make sure everything is working correctly. If it is, give your Zap a descriptive name and toggle it on. Congratulations! You've just automated your Docusign workflow with Zapier. Explore countless other integrations and unlock even more productivity. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more automation tips and tricks.